CRO Card. Which one should you use in 2025? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing the Binance Debit Card with the Crypto.com CRO Card to see which is better for everyday spending, rewards, and fees. Binance Debit Card, issued by Binance, one of the largest crypto exchanges, lets you spend crypto directly anywhere. Visa is accepted. Rewards, up to 8% cashback in BNB, depends on how much BNB you hold. Pros, easy integration with Binance account, wide acceptance worldwide, no monthly or annual fees. Cons, cashback percentage depends on your BNB holdings, limited to countries where Binance Card is available. Tash, Crypto.com, CRO, Card. The CRO Visa Card is linked to your Crypto.com app and wallet. Rewards, up to 5% cashback in CRO tokens, depends on CRO staking. Offers perks like free Spotify, Netflix, and airport lounge access on higher tiers. Pros, attractive lifestyle benefits, multiple card tiers for flexibility, global availability. Cons, requires staking CRO tokens for best rewards. Perks may change over time. Binance Debit Card versus CRO Card, side by side. Rewards, Binance offers up to 8% cashback in BNB, while Crypto.com offers up to 5% in CRO. Perks, Binance focuses on cashback. Crypto.com gives lifestyle perks like Netflix, Spotify, and lounge access. Ease of use. Binance Card works directly with your exchange account, while CRO Card requires staking to unlock top benefits. Availability. Both are limited to certain regions, so check if it's supported in your country. Sure. Final verdict. If you want maximum cashback and already use Binance, the Binance Debit Card is a great choice. If you love extra perks like Netflix, Spotify, and lounge access and don't mind staking CRO, the CRO Card could be better. Bottom line, choose Binance for simple, high cashback, and Crypto.com if lifestyle perks matter more to you. That's it for today's comparison. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tutorials and comparisons.